Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the SQL. So, first of all, we'll try to understand why SQL. So, the SQL means structure query language. We query a data from the given structure. Here, the structure means our table. Okay, so we get the data from the table. Now, if you see here, there are the schemas. Now, in the schema are like directory, or you can see the C drive, D drive, E drive in our system, kind of partition inside the database. So you can see academic schema, analytics view, customer order, employee and department, human resource, and blah blah blah. So for now, we are going to just see the details about the HR scheme. So you can see in HR we have a countries. Countries is a table, and you can find the column country ID, country name, and the region ID. These are the details here. Okay. Now department, employee, location is a table. Okay. So first of all, let's try to see how we get data from the SQL. So what I do, I will write the select. Select means I want to fetch the data. Okay. And from. From means from where I want to fetch the data. As you've seen in the previous few seconds, like you've seen the schema. So for now, we are going to fetch the data from the HR department. Okay. From the HR department. From the HR department, what all things we are going to fetch it out? Let's write it down. So as you've seen in the schema, HR, there's the department table. Here are the department ID, department name, manager ID, and the location. These are the details we have. Okay, so let's fetch the manager ID. Select. Now we have manager ID as a value, and you can see where this dash. This dash basically represents a null value. We'll talk later on, like in the other session. Don't worry about it. So we got the data of the manager ID here. Other thing could be department ID. Now we are fetching another column, so we'll put a comma here. So it will be department. Now see, we have two columns, manager ID and the department. Similarly, if you want to fetch the data from the HR.employee, we can retrieve the data like first name, last name. So yeah, first name, last name. Now, when I'm writing this query, then I will just put a run button here, execute run button, and I will get the data. Okay. Now, so this is how I get the data, and else I can select all and press the control enter on the keyboard. This will give me the data. Now we got to know how to pick the few data from the given column. Now, since we don't, let's say I don't know all the columns exist here, I can simply write asterisk. This will fetch all the data from the table. All the data means all the columns. Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission PCT, manager ID, department. All the columns which are present in the employee table. Okay. Now, another thing here, Let's say for the first name, I want to rename it as a F name. So I will write F underscore name. If and I will give a alias. Alias it means this column in the output is now represented as F underscore name. Now, this is how it is. Another part is, let's say I want put a space between the F and name. But what will happen? It will not give the output. It will show an error. So if you are fetching a column which has a space between in between them, so we'll write the column name in double quote. This will work. And in general, we can also write the column name in double quote, no issue. Okay, that's how it works. Let's say from this column, I want to know the distinct value of the unique unique data. Unique data, like the first name, I want all the, like there could be the person, two person have the same first name. Let me check. Yeah, David here you can see two times. So I will say, since I want to get the distinct value, I will say distinct distinct for first name from the given table. That is fine. I'm getting the records now. This is not just limited to the first name or a single column. We can also call the last name. But when you're calling the multiple columns, so you should understand that the combination of these two will be unique. It will be possible that in the first name we might have some duplicate value, like David can come two times. But if the David is present in the data output two times, that will make sure that the last name for them is not sure, not same. So let's check. David, Austin, and David Burmistone. I don't know. Like, so we have two different names here. David. Now the David for the first name it is coming two times. But yeah, but if you combine the first name and last name, this combination will be always unique if you are calling the distinct. And similarly, we can call a multiple columns, not just one column. Okay. Yeah. The next thing is that now we have the first name and last name. I want to generate a full name of a person, which is the first name followed by last name. I will use a concat operation. I will put a comma. I will concat as full name. Okay. Now Ellen Abel, good. But as you can see, this doesn't look good because the first name and last name should have some space between them. So I will write in the single quote. If in the Oracle we are working, if you're writing something in a single quote, this will be a string. Now we are getting okay. Now from the employee, I will just want to show some other operation like you want to fetch the first name, last name, and let's put the salary. Now we have a salary here, so I'm assuming that this is a monthly salary. Okay, answer. So this is a monthly. It's a monthly salary per person. Now I want to convert this monthly salary into the yearly salary. So the formula is very simple. The salary multiplied by 12. If you have the 1 month salary, if you multiply it by 12, you'll get the yearly salary. Now, so simple. If you have a numeric column or a float column, you can just multiply directly. Or you want to just do some addition or subtraction, you can also do directly here. Salary plus 12. Let's see. This is simple addition. You can see this monthly salary got added by 12. So thank you.